Good evening. I'm Michelle Greenstein, filling in for Rick Sanchez. We begin tonight in Afghanistan. Today, U.S. officials confirmed that a Wednesday drone strike intended to hit an Islamic State hideout killed at least 30 civilians and injured 40 others in the province of Nangarhar. According to Afghan officials, it was a group of farmers targeted by this drone strike while sitting together around a bonfire after a day of collecting pine nuts. Here's one of the injured men receiving treatment at a hospital after the event. Now, you may be thinking, U.S. drone strikes kill people all the time. But perhaps that's the point. Stories like this rarely make headlines anymore. It may sound cynical, but we, especially in the United States, have gotten accustomed to perpetual war and the loss of human life, especially when it happens far away. Why is this newsworthy? It's precisely because of complacency with endless warfare that we want to bring this to your attention. Maybe the fact that 30 civilian casualties is not a major scandal is the major scandal.